Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with 2019 Social Science MCQs of CTET, which may prove important for you this year also. So go through it. If you like, then please share and subscribe. So first question is, which of the following are block mountains? First, Himalayas, B, Appalachians, C, 3, Ural, and 4, Vosges. Correct option is 4, that is Vosges. Block mountains are formed due to faulting of Earth's crust. The Vosges mountain, Europe are classic examples. Himalayas are fold mountains. Question number 2. Consider the following statement. Only one side of the moon is visible from the earth. B. The moon takes the same time to complete one rotation on its axis as it takes to revolve around the earth. Select the correct answer. Options are 1. Both A and B are true and B explains A. 2. Option 2. Both A and B are true but B does not explain A. Option 3, A is true but B is false. Option 4, A is false but B is true. Correct answer is 1, which says both A and B are true and B explains A. Due to synchronous rotation, the moon rotates and revolves in the same time, about 27 days. So only one side is visible from Earth. Question number 3, metamorphic. Consider the statement related to metamorphic rocks. A. Igneous and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks due to heat and pressure. B. Metamorphic rocks melt from magma under heat and pressure. C. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Choose the correct answer. Option 1, B and C are correct. A is incorrect. Option 2, A and B are correct. C is incorrect. Option 3, A, B and C are correct. Option 4, A and C are correct and B is incorrect. Correct answer is 4, that says A and C are correct but B is incorrect. Metamorphic rocks do not melt. Melting forms magma. Marble is metamorphic rock formed from limestone. Question number 4. Meteorites burn up on entering which layer of the atmosphere? A. Mesosphere, B. Thermosphere, C. Exosphere. 1. Mesosphere, 2. Thermosphere, 3. Exosphere, and 4. Stratosphere. Answer is 1. Mesosphere. Maximum friction occurs in mesosphere, causing meteorites to burn up. Question number 4. India's research station Maitri is located in option 1 Australia, 2 Antarctica, 3 Europe, 4 Asia. Correct answer is 2, that is Antarctica. Maitri is India's second permanent research station in Antarctica. Question number 5. Minerals, which of the following not true about minerals? Option 1, they are naturally occurring substances. 2, they have a definite chemical composition. 3, they are formed in different geological environments. 4, all minerals are non-metallic. Answer is 4. That is, minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. So statement 4 is incorrect. Question number 6. Match the following. List A and list B. So list A includes A. Narmada Valley, B. Vaji, Garo Hills, D. Ganga Valley, E. Indus tributaries, and list B includes first early republic, second hunting and gathering, third cities about 25 years ago, and fourth is the first cities, and fifth is early agriculture. Then now you have to choose the correct option. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is second one, 5, 3, 4. Fourth is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is 2, that is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. The match is based on archaeological and historical developments in India. Question number 7. Periodization of Indian history. Consider the statement. Periodization like Hindu, Muslim, British is appropriate? A option is. B option is assigning exact dates to historical process is problematic. Choose the correct answer. Option 1, both are correct. B explains A. Second option is both are correct but B does not explain A. Third is A is correct but B is wrong. Fourth is A is wrong but B is correct. Answer is Correct answer is fourth, that is A is wrong but B is correct. History cannot be divided only on religious lines. Processes develop gradually over time. Question number 8. Nation states in Europe. Consider the statements. A. Before the 18th century, people in Europe identified themselves as nation states. Option B. In the 19th century, linguistic identity contributed to nationalism. Choose the correct answer. First option is both are correct and B explains A. Second, both are correct but B does not explain A. Third is A is correct, B is wrong. Fourth is A is wrong, B is correct. Answer is 4. That is A is wrong and B is correct. Nationalism emerged mainly in the 19th century, not before. Next question, BCE stands for. Options are 1 before Christian era, 2 before Common Era, 3 before Caesar era, 4 before Contemporary era. Correct answer is 2. That is before Common Era. BCE is a natural globally accepted term. Next question is ostriches in ancient India. How do we know ostriches existed in India during Paleolithic period? Ancient writings. 2 ostrich eggshells found at Patne, Maharashtra. 3 oral memories. 4 foreign travelers account. Answer is 2. That is ostrich eggshells found at Patne, Maharashtra. Archaeological evidence of ostrich eggshells proves their presence. Next question. Which factors led to decline of Harappan civilization? A. Loss of control by rulers. B. Deforestation. C. Floods everywhere. D. Dying of rivers. Choose the correct answer. 1. A, B, C. 2. A, B, D. 3. A, C, D. 4. B, C, D. Correct answer is 2. That is A, B, D. Environmental changes and administrative decline were the key reasons. How did the British consolidate control after the revolt of 1857? Options are first, transfer of power to the British Crown. Second, recruiting soldiers from Awadh. 3, protecting peasants. 4, appeasement policies. Correct answer is 1. That is transfer of power to the British Crown. The Government of India Act 1858 ended company rule, which is not the feature of representative democracy. First, elected representatives. 2, decision making by representatives. 3, direct participation of people. 4, franchise rights. Answer is 3, direct participation of people. Direct participation belongs to direct democracy. Which region of India is called Little Tibet? A1 Ladakh, 2 Arunachal Pradesh, 3 Sikkim, 4 Himachal Pradesh. Answer is 1, that is Ladakh. Due to cultural and geographical similarity with Tibet. What is the appellate system in India? First, applying for judicial services. 2, appeal in parliament. 3, executive head as final authority. 4, appeal to a higher court. Answer is 4, appeal to a higher court. It ensures judicial review by higher courts. Next question, peninsular plateau, which is not the feature of the peninsular plateau. First, lies south of the northern plain. 2, bordered by Aravalli in the northwest. 3, rich in minerals. 4, Mahanadi and Krishna are west flowing rivers. Correct answer is 4, that is Mahanadi and Krishna are west flowing rivers. Mahanadi and Krishna are east flowing rivers. Which statement about Africa is correct? First, mostly in southern hemisphere. Second, topic of Cancer, equator and Capricorn pass through it. 3. Gobi Desert is in Africa. 4. Separated from Asia by Ural Mountains. Correct answer is 2. That is Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Capricorn pass through it. Africa is the only continent crossed by all three lines. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh receive rainfall in autumn because first, retreating monsoon winds move to Bay of Bengal. Second, winds blow from Arabian Sea to Bay of Bengal. 3. Winds blow from Bay of Bengal to Arabian Sea. 4th, winds move towards Arabian Sea. Correct answer is 1, which says retreating monsoon winds move to Bay of Bengal. The retreating monsoon causes rainfall in these regions. Thank you.